Kumari is our watchman. I will. Kumari is a watchman. Always, she asked the same question from myself also. So it's better we will elect you as our watchman or principal.
No, we can help each other.
No, it's good actually. It's better.
Yeah.
It is good, no?
Yeah.
Prashni, you are also there?
Yes, Thushith.
Yeah.
I am trying. I am trying to send a message to you. This.
Yeah.
I saw your name.
Name.
Yeah.
First I go on workout room number 1. Just I lost my internet connection. Instantly I joined this group.
Yeah, this is not a group actually. This is main session.
No, I was.
Yes.
I was under joining group number 7. All left. Then
I think all are in here.
Yeah.
Today.
It's better we will go to
we have 18 members.
Yeah.
Just before 20 members in there.
Yeah, now we are all actually we are now all in the playground, not in the classes.
What is main topic about batik? Oh, about
Hello. Can you hear me?
Ourselves.
Not 18, 19 members are here now, huh? Because
Yeah,
I'm listening to you.
Yeah. I
I
think
think the
it's
thing is
only
actually we cannot restrict that the corresponding these the groups because of signal issues. So that's why all are here in the same one group, not in the group. Actually, the main session.
Main session.
Yeah.
Others are in the breakout rooms?
So actually, we were. I also was in a breakout room, but suddenly that all the members were left. So that's why I joining in this main session. So I think the others also having the same issue.
Same issue.
not a breakout room. This is the main.
Yeah,
No, that's not the same issue. We are the one who have done that one.
yeah,
okay.
you
Oh,
are the creator of this.
you are the creator, but today only
Yes,
we
you are
experienced this one.
We thought that it is a signal issue.
Yeah, we thought.
But this is the reason. These are the
I don't know what
creators.
the reason, but we don't have any problem.
At last we found these problems.
So
I suddenly fall down to this main session.
Yeah, I also do.
Then we
Yeah.
can
Because
talk about
Thushith
one
sir
topic.
told me that is the lesson today.
Yeah. Then
Because I
can
think
you
we
give-
have that main spirit with us. See that those who are speaking in English in the very well, so they are only now it's increasing as 19. It was in the 18 now.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Asun, Srimati, Airangani, Kumari, Sandhya, Pati, Dilhani, Tushani, Susanta, Pulisanta, thanks to all.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Yes, welcome.
Thank
You are
you.
wasting your time, your valuable time for this. No,
Actually, not wasting our time. We utilize our time in the best way.
this is time for the
Yeah.
I think so.
Improve our speaking knowledge.
Yeah, it is a
Speaking
great
ability.
opportunity for us.
Great opportunity listening and speaking.
Yeah.
Everything we can improve.